Hi everyone, thank you for your patience for my civilian life, i.e. Clark Kent day-to-day job. End of year marking is done, reports are done, and now I'm back in spandex. And if that's wrong, then I don't want to be right. I can't believe it. Right, anyway. I want to get the Case Today series back up and running now. So now, welcome from Law with Dunk, the Law Guy, and today is part A of day 51 of the Case Today series journey. Part B will be tomorrow or later today, covering cases across criminal law, tort law, contract law, and the English legal system. If you ever have a case you want me to cover, pop it in the comments section and I'll get round to it. With the next series of recordings, I want to cover cases relevant to the area of criminal law known as non-fatal offences against the person, starting with the common law offences of assault and battery, and then progressing on to the statutory offences of sections 47, 20 and 18 of the Offences Against the Person Act 1861. I imagine there will probably be 20 to 30 recordings dedicated to covering non-fatal offences. I actually have no idea. After that, I imagine I'll be moving on to strict liability cases. Be aware I do need to stress some things and get them out the way regarding the non-fatal offences before I get on to today's assault case of RV Constanza 1997, which will be part B. So, why are the 5 mentioned offences known as non-fatal offences? Well, they are offences where the victim hasn't died, making them non-fatal in nature, as opposed to fatal, where someone has died, i.e. murder or manslaughter. Be aware, and I stress this to my students too, so I'm stressing it now, there is no injury with an assault or battery. So there is no need for the rules of causation with these offences, but causation is needed for section 47, 20 and 18 offences due to there being an injury involved, i.e. ABH, actual bodily harm, GBH, grievous bodily harm, or an unlawful wounding, which means these offences are more serious and result usually in a higher level of sentencing. And starting with the criminal offence of assault, which is a common law offence because it originated within case law, not statutory law, and has therefore been built upon over decades and even centuries, with further case decisions helping to extend the meaning of when an assault can occur. It is therefore a form of judge-made law. However, this offence is recognised within statute law regarding sentencing with the passing of Section 39 of the Criminal Justice Act 1988, which states that the maximum sentence for a common assault, which is the collective term for both assault and battery, is 6 months imprisonment and or a £5,000 fine. Not that the textbooks stress this, because they don't really have to, but as it states maximum sentence, technically an offender could still be sentenced to a community order for an assault, maybe even a discharge, which can be conditional or absolute. Not that you need to know this as well, but I've just seen online and not read it in any textbook, but where the assault is racially or religiously aggravated, the maximum sentence is 2 years imprisonment. And that's it for part A today. I'll be moving on to Constanza, the breakdown for RV Constanza, with part B of the day 51 recording, hopefully later today, maybe tomorrow.